In this video, I will show you how to fix JBL Tune a 230NC TWS not charging. First, clean the charging contacts. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. Use a bright light to inspect the charging pins inside the case and the metal charging contacts on the earbuds. If you see dirt, earwax, or oxidation, gently clean the contacts using a cotton swab lightly dipped in rubbing alcohol. After cleaning, let everything air dry for at least 3 minutes before placing the earbuds back into the case. Next, check the charging cable and power source. Replace the current USB-C cable with another one that you know is working properly. Connect the charging case to a wall charger rated for at least 2.0 amps instead of a computer USB port. Also, inspect the USB-C charging port on the case for lint or debris. If needed, carefully remove any buildup with a wooden toothpick. Finally, allow the charging case to charge completely. Plug it into the wall and leave it charging for at least 2 hours, even if the LED indicator does not turn on right away. A deeply discharged battery may need extra time before it starts charging normally. After 2 hours, check if the charging case and earbuds are working again. If the problem continues, the battery or charging hardware may need professional repair or replacement. Thanks for watching.